JIANGSU ALBRICH Textile Company Limited is a professional artificial leather supplier in Jiangyin, China. We concentrate on PVC, PU leather textile material exporting for many years. We combine production and trade, carry out strategic cooperation with factories, and establish a large-scale production base. Here is one of our cooperative factory, which has the National High-Tech Enterprise Certificate. Our factory has many production lines, including eco-friendly production lines. We always adhere to the principle of customer first and provide customers with high quality and satisfactory products with advanced equipment and strict quality control. Our products are mainly targeted at the Middle East, South America, North America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and many other countries and regions, and are widely used in car seats, sofas, bags and luggage, decorations, shoe materials, flooring, and other fields. In order to meet the personalized needs of buyers, we provide 6 types of customization services, including color, texture, backing fabric, thickness, logo, and physical properties. In addition, we can provide free samples for buyers' reference in order to allow buyers to intuitively experience our products. We have specially built a showroom to display various types of leather and finished products, and provide professional service and communication atmosphere for offline meeting. If you are interested in artificial leather, please feel free to contact us. We believe that Albridge will be your long-term cooperation partner in future.